I'm in the middle of nowhere. It's a pretty rugged track, this one. There's a cave here. I wonder what's in here. That's an underground pool. There's just water, pool of water in there. I feel like in another world, in the Aboriginal dream time. This is quite incredible. I have to say that brushing against these leaves, a bit of a sting, these leaves, so bit of a sting. Oh well, we're definitely in the jungle, the bush. As I say, this is the no frills track. Oh, not far from civilization. Well, that's why the track to Whitehorse Beach. Okay, right. Now I'm in Kuringai Chase National Park. When you come to the Flint and Steel track car park on West Head Road there, and you'll come down the track, you'll come down to this sign here. You got the beach, Flint and Steel Beach. That's a great track. Easy, a little bit, but that's just a track with the good stuff, the national parks have, made it easy. Now, to Flint and Steel Bay, oh, that's a different track altogether. If you have some issues of walking, that track is, I wouldn't recommend it. But if you like the rugged stuff, you like the adventure, you like the challenge, that track, it goes quite a distance actually. It continued on down all the way through along the foreshore. So that is one track, that is a track that'll get your heart rate going. Well, both of them will, but that more so. Definitely recommend coming down here because it is a beautiful part of the world here in Sydney. I can tell you now, it's been an amazing afternoon. This is Mick Angelhere from Mick Angelhere's Australia. Till next time.